Hey, what's up you guys, and welcome back to another episode of Chemical Guys Detail Garage. Today's topic is water-based versus oil-based dressing. What's the difference and which one should I use? So stay tuned, I'm gonna explain everything that you guys need to know about these dressings right now. So before you get into any application of dressing, you want to make sure that the surface is clean and prepped. And what I mean by that is you want to make sure that there's no previous dressings, dirt or grime on the surface, because that's going to interfere with your bond and the durability of the dressing itself. You can go ahead and use a product like Trim Clean. So this stuff cleans the trim, it removes oils, wax, polish residue, compound. So not only does it clean the trim, but if you happen to, get some wax on there, or, maybe you don't mask your trim properly prior to polishing, then this is a great way, an easy way to remove it very quickly and effectively. So it's a simple, easy to use product. Simply spray it on a microfiber towel, wipe down the trim, and your job is done. All right guys, so now it comes to applying your dressing. Now right here, I have two right here right in front of me. I have VRP, which is a water-based dressing, and then I have Blueguard, which is an oil-based dressing. So VRP works great on both interior and exterior vinyl, rubber, and plastic surfaces. So whether it be on your dashboard, door panels, your tires, exterior plastics, rubber seals, you name it, this stuff is going to do an incredible job at restoring, enhancing, and protecting the finish. VRP is great because it enhances a nice high gloss finish. So if you guys like that high gloss look on any kind of interior or exterior plastic, rubber, or vinyl trim, this is an excellent product to go with, and it also shields it from those harsh UV rays. So if you leave your car parked outside all day, this is a great product to have on your trim because it's going to protect it from drying, fading, cracking, and discoloration. Now, one quick tip, and this goes for both oil-based and water-based dressings, is once you're done applying the product, I like to wipe it down with a dry microfiber towel. And what that does is it picks up any excess product that you may have gone overboard with. If you're like myself and you love that crazy deep wet shine, you may have some excess on the surface, so just make sure you give it a nice little wipe down to secure a dry to the touch finish. Now, depending on the level of shine that you like, we do carry different dressings for you guys. So for this VRP, it delivers a high shine finish. If you like more of the natural look, more of the factory dealer kind of look, then you can go with a product like our Natural Shine. And then if you want something in between, something kind of like a satin kind of light sheen, then you can go with our Silk Shine dressing. And if you're a really shine fanatic, you can go with our G6 Hypercoat, which works exceptionally well to achieve that deep wet shine. Moving on, we have our Blueguard, which is an oil-based dressing. Now, first things first, you may have noticed that this comes with a sprayer nozzle as opposed to the VRP, which has a spout. Now, this is more of a cream, this one's more of a liquid. So it's a little bit easier to apply in the sense that you can just simply spray it onto your microfiber applicator and start applying it. Now, the great thing about oil-based dressings is that they do an exceptional job at reviving super faded and dried out trim. So if you have a very neglected car, I'm talking about like your car has been sitting outside, you have never put dressing on it for years, the plastic looks gray when it's originally supposed to look black, this is a product that you want to go with. An oil-based dressing does more of an excellent job at rejuvenating that trim and bringing it back to life. So this does an incredible job at restoring it, and it also lasts very long on exterior surfaces. So you can apply this on exterior rubber plastics, rubber seals, you can even apply it as a tire shine. So if you love that deep wet look, Blueguard is an incredible product to go with. So as far as application with these oil-based dressings, they're pretty much the same as water-based, only that this one has a spray nozzle. So instead of spraying onto the surface, which I don't recommend simply because you're gonna get a lot of overspray, you can actually spray onto a foam or microfiber applicator and just thoroughly work it into the trim. Oil-based dressings like Blueguard also tend to have an extremely high amount of UV blockers. So if protection for the exterior plastics and trim is what you're going for, oil-based dressing is the way to go. And it also has special hydrophobic properties that'll last you multiple washes. And then as an alternative dressing, we also have our aerosol dressings such as our Factory Finish. Now this product is great for getting into those hard to reach areas that you can't necessarily get to with an applicator. So if you're working in intricate areas or hard to reach areas, an aerosol dressing like this one works exceptionally well because this sprays in a nice fine mist, so you can spray it and get into all those hard to reach areas with ease. And as far as oil-based dressings, we also have an entire lineup of oil-based dressings. So we have Blueguard, which we have right here in front of us. We also have our Extreme Liquid Shine, our Hybrid VO7 High Optical Shine, and we also have our Tire Trim Gel. So if you guys love that gel substance, Tire Trim Gel is an incredible product to go with as well. All right, guys, so just a quick little recap of the differences between these two. They're both going to do an incredible job at restoring, enhancing, and protecting the trim. However, water-based dressings, they can be used on interior and exterior vinyl, rubber, and plastic surfaces. Oil-based dressings, we recommend to apply them only on exterior surfaces such as rubber seals, plastic trim, stuff like that. So if heavy restoration is what you're going for, oil-based dressings are going to be the best that you can go with. Now, they also have those high UV blockers. So if you leave your car parked outside where it's going to get a lot of UV rays, then this is going to do an incredible job at protecting it. And it also has those hydrophobic properties that's going to last you multiple washes. I hope that this video pretty much cleared up any question that you guys may have had between water-based and oil-based dressings. If you guys do have any leftover questions that I did not answer in this video, leave them in the comment section down below. And also let us know what other products that you want us to kind of break down and compare. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to give us a like, subscribe if you haven't done so already. And as always, my name is Joey, and we will see you guys here next time at the Chemical Guys Detail Garage.